homestays as well as rural tourism and religious tourism and film tourism, etc. The state government has recently launched Tripura Homestay Policy. Tripura's tourism sector has been growing consistently. The state offers variety of attraction including wildlife sanctuary and places and to experience tribal life. There is also potential of development of tourist circuit involving all the northeast states, if possible, neighboring countries as well. All this offers attractive opportunities for the hospitality industries, including star category hotel also. Government of Tripura has declared service sector in activities, namely hotel business, then tourism promoting activities, water sports, ropeways, adventure, leisure sports as thrust sector industry, which with provision of additional subsidy incentives under Tripura Incentive Policy. The state is considered the best IT destination in the Northeast and has potential for IT-enabled services. The state is having IT policy. Tripura is the third internet gateway of the country after Mumbai and Chennai. To introduce paperless system in the administration system, the government have introduced e-office and e-cabinet successfully. Thus, Tripura has become fourth state in the country and second in the Northeast to have introduced e-office and e-cabinet. It is the first state in the country that has extended e-office, e-cabinet from state up to 3-tier panchayat level. Also, more than 90% villages connected by 4G network. The state is also focusing on expanding vocational education to enhance employability, boost entrepreneurship, and drive sustainable development through the Educational Institute, Skill Directorate, Industrial Training Institute, etc. I am glad to inform that the literacy rate in the state now estimated over 95.16%. The state has Central University, National Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Information Technology, National Law University, National Forensic Science University, State Engineering College, 1 private engineering college, 4 private universities, Polytechnic Institute, Agriculture College, Veterinary College, Fisheries College, and 19 ITIs, that is Industrial Training Institute. Besides, there are 3 medical colleges, 1 dental college, 1 nursing college, 1 pharmaceutical college. However, there is a great potential for private investment in these fields also by way of setting up educational institutes in the fields like information technology, telecommunication, biotechnology, healthcare, skill university, etc. The MSME sector play a crucial role in the economic development of Tripura. It is estimated that around 2.11 lakh MSME enterprises available in Tripura, and out of that, most of them are micro enterprises. In Tripura, online single window clearing system through Swagat portal that gives approval by all government agencies in Tripura for all statutory clearance within maximum period of 30 days has been operational for providing time-bound clearance to the investors. Investment Promotion Agency of Tripura, that is IPA, has been notified to discharge its function for dedicatedly working towards the investment initiatives. It may be mentioned that to attract private investment in this region, Ministry of Commerce, Government of India has announced Unnati 2024 scheme, which should further boost the investment in the region. The Tripura government has launched several initiatives to promote industrial growth within the state. Number 1, Tripura Industrial Investment Promotion Incentive Scheme, that is TIPIS, provides for additional capital subsidy, lowered power tariff, and easy access. Number 2, state has declared data center policy to attract investment. Number 3, IT or IT startup scheme. Then number 4, Tripura Startup Venture Capital Fund has been launched with the corpus fund of rupees 50 crore to provide risk capital to potential startup. Then 2 software technology park, Indranagar, and Lichu Bagan have been set up. Then state has launched IT's policy 2022 with the objective to attract IT and IT's companies. We have some sectoral policies also. Tripura IT Startup Scheme, that is 2019, Tripura Data Center Policy 2021, Tripura Agro Route Policy 2021, Integrated Logistic Policy 2022, Startup Policy 2022, and Electric Vehicle Policy we have started. Let us embark on this journey where every investment become a story of success and every partnership become a bond of trust. We cordially invite investors to consider setting up projects in Tripura, and we assure that the state government will come forward with all necessary support. Thank you, and I look forward to welcome you to Tripura, land of opportunities. With this, I conclude my speech. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, the Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, Professor Dr. Manik Shahji, for sharing your valuable words with us. Sir, your insights, wisdom, and your leadership truly inspires us. Thank you so much, sir.